Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus recruitment from the NPCI company for the graduate engineer trainee positions. Experience required 0 to 2 years of experience. Suppose if you are having 1 year of experience, still also you can apply. Then if you are a fresher, don't have any experience, then also you can apply. Your job position will be GET, that is graduate engineer trainee, and package they are providing you 4.75 LPA to 5 LPA, and job location is Mumbai, Hyderabad and Chennai. Okay, so directly we will check the job description, that is roles and responsibilities. They are looking for fresher candidates in various emerging technologies at NPCI. You may apply if you are a smart young innovator with digital first mindset, result oriented go getter, do it yourself or self driven, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situation, then ability to evaluate pros and cons of every situation ensures accountability. Okay, so once you join NPCI, definitely they will provide you training, so don't worry about it. Mandatory requirements: qualification BE BTech in computer science, information security, IT, information technology and electronics and telecommunication candidates can apply. Bachelors, here they have provided the batch. Don't get confused in this, as many of the candidates will get confused here. I will tell you in simple way that 2016 to 2021 batch are allowed, that is 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. All these batches are allowed for this off-campus drive from the NPCI. Eligibility criteria: in 10th you should have 75%, in 12th you should have 65%, and BE BTech 60%, and MEM Tech 60%. Okay, so that is the eligibility criteria. Experience 0 to 2 years, as we already discussed above. Job location is Hyderabad, Mumbai and Chennai. Required skills: don't get confused or don't get stressed at looking at job description. Definitely they will provide you training, they will guide you. Based on that only they will provide you the task or assignments. Required skills: knowledge in OS, TCP IP routing protocols, switches, firewall, load balancer and VLAN, that is virtual LAN network. Ability to design develop software using Java and Python is preferred. Let me tell you that suppose if you have done any certification in Java programming language or Python, that will be a plus point, and there will be a good chances to get selected in the interview. Okay, and in the interview they definitely ask on TCP IP, operating system, routing protocols, switches, firewall. Okay, so please do study while you go for the interview. Then knowledge of data models: Spark SQL, then PySpark and Hive programming. Don't worry if you don't have knowledge on it, no worry about that. Good understand of machine learning, deep learning and NLP algorithms. Just do one thing, whenever you will go for the interview or whenever you will attend the interview, study about the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. What is deep learning? What are the NLP algorithms? What is Spark? What is Spark SQL? Just study a basic knowledge, gain some basic knowledge on this, so that whenever the interviewer will ask you what is Spark SQL, then you can give answer in an easy way. Okay, so develop POC or run pilot on selected blockchain platform. What is blockchain? So just not don't go in detail, just try to gain some basic knowledge. Basic is enough. Once you know basic, after that they will give you training on this as well. Basic knowledge on in fundamentals of cloud computing, virtualization and OpenStack. Good understanding about containers, OpenShift or Kubernetes. Good with data sampling and data mining techniques to build models on skewed dataset. Then applicant must have good understanding of below skill set: algorithms. If you don't know what is algorithm, then try to gain some knowledge, basic knowledge on algorithm, as many of almost all candidates know, but I'm just giving you an idea. Java or Python, machine learning, Linux operating system, at least one of the blockchain frameworks such as Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, then Ethereum, fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. So please guys, study on this OpenStack. Don't go in detail, just read basic concept. Looking forward to meet you in NPCI recruitment drive. And perks and benefits: 5 lakh fixed. Okay, so 5 lakh is your fixed salary. Not every company provide 5 lakhs fixed salary. They provide variable salary. Fixed salary means they don't deduct anything out of 5 lakh. Means around 45,000 will be your salary. They don't deduct anything. In variable salary, they deduct HRA, DA, tax. Okay, so this is a very good recruitment from the NPCI company, that they are providing 5 lakhs fixed salary and CTC is around 6.35. Okay, so key skill: Java, algorithm, Python, blockchain, all these things they have mentioned. PG, any postgraduate in any specialization. Okay, so this is the off campus recruitment from the NPCI company. Please apply for this off campus drive. Okay, so don't miss the chance guys. 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 batch are allowed to apply. BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates can also apply for this off campus drive. You will get this link in the description box below. Go to that link and click on apply now button. Okay, so you can directly apply on with Naukri.com, or fill all these details. Enter your name, your email ID, your mobile number, then your current location. If you have experience, then select experience. If you are a fresher, then select fresher. Okay, so you can if you don't have resume, then you can fill these details manually. Okay, so if you have it, then click on choose file. Okay, so fill all these details and submit this form. So don't miss the chance guys, and apply now. And thanks for watching this video.